Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining my YouTube channel. I share my screen quickly. So basically we are going to start the fundamentals of Python, and this series is going to teach you how can you write your first Python program, and we will keep on going with the other topics. So first of all, I create a file for us, class notes. So file, and then we click on make a copy, YouTube class notes. Why I'm making this copy? So you could also um, get these notes on your side, and I will also write the homework here. So date wise, we will also write the homework, and we can also um, have like the topics details. So this notebook I will also upload on your in the description of YouTube. So the topics we will cover first starts with the data types. Then we have data structures. After that, we have conditions, then loops, functions, and classes. So this one is the first session. I should not say the trial session. And our learning needs are to cover fundamental of Python. And we also have to cover what is a classes or object oriented programming. And then we have their resources. I have written some of my resources. This is also a book, Python Crash Course. You can find it easily online. And this is the W3 school link. Then I have some cheat sheets with this. And then I have some tables. You can also follow them if you are new and you want some resources, but you will better understand them first when you will start. So that's why first we start by doing installing VS Code. This VS Code, you can download it from here. For example, this website, you will just type VS Code and then you can click on download for window. This window will pop up and you can save it anywhere where you want to save it. After saving it, you will click on this and let me just do something. So after downloading this VS Code, you can click on this and it will ask you where you want to save and all those stuff. It's easy, like you can click on next agreement and so on, keep on doing next. And you can click on install, it will start installing. I have already installed, so I will not install it. After installing, we will open VS Code and let's say I do it. I open VL. When you will write VL, it should appear on here, this blue color icon, and then you can click on this. It will open this kind of window. For you, it will open this kind of window. I close this, my work, and this will open this kind of window on your screen. You can go here, File, Open Folder, then choose the place where you want to keep it, and right click on it and create a new folder wherever you want to keep it. If you want to keep it in the documents or if you want to keep on desktop, anywhere, you can just right click on it, new folder, and here you can write there, for example, let's say Python, or I write there YouTube, Python learning, and I choose this folder, select this folder. Now I maximize this. So this is my first folder which I created for um, my programming. After this, and open folder. After this, we have to install Python, and then we will run our first program. Okay, for that we have to go here. We click on this. You can see this icon, new file. Let's say I write there first session dot py. If I hit it enter, then it will automatically detect Python if you have already installed it. Otherwise, when you will click on the play button, it will ask you to download and install Python. If it is not asking you, then you can manually go here and then you can just write there Python download. And then you can choose download Python and then you can download Python from here. I think you will be smart enough so you can just save it and install it. Okay, this is Python Manager. Or if you want to get the standalone, if this is a little bit confusing, then you can just download this one, Python 3.14, and you can just download this one, and it will appear here. And you can just click on this exe file, and it will start installing this Python on your computer. Like this, install now. You can click on install now, and so on. Add path to exe to the path and use admin privilege when installing the Python. So you can check this. So it will automatically add them in the path and then you can click on this install now. Let me put this one here also so you could easily get this also. Okay. I close it because I already have installed Python. So I will not do that. Okay. So I also put this thing here. So you may not get confused. I did not. Okay. So I place it in the next. Okay. Yeah. Now we have there, for example, next one is when you have installed Python, when you click on play, so it should show you something like this. You can also choose Python. In the very bottom right side, there is written Python 3.11. You can choose any version of Python and you can choose anything here and run it. Now, inside this, you can first of all write your first program by saying name is equals to YouTube and age is equals to 25, for example, and you can print this now. But how I do it, let me just turn off my AI from here. So, okay. So if you have to run it, you can write print, small bracket, F. If you don't want to write F, you can just write name, comma, age. When you run it, so you are running it from here, but you are getting output in here, in this terminal. It means Python is working fine. Second thing, you can also write, for example, another Jupyter Notebook kind of program where you can create a new file. You can say first underscore session dot ipy, which is kernel Python and notebook nb. So nb notebook, and you hit enter. It will open this kind of window. In your computer, it will in the bottom right side. It will ask you to install this. If you face any issues, you can write me in the comment section, but you will get this kind of like download Jupyter Notebook or install Jupyter Notebook in the bottom right side in this section. You will have those things. You can click on install, wait a little bit. If this is taking longer than 15 minutes, then turn down on the Visual Studio Code and then reopen it. After this, you can come up here and then you can write there, let's say name is equals to, and first of all, there's an important thing. Right now, it's a plain text. You should choose from here Python. So name I choose. Let's say I write the name Umair Ali and I shift and enter. It is asking me for multiple things. You will choose Python environment, and then I have multiple versions of Python, but you will have one or two, or maybe you have more, so you can choose any you like. This is Python 3.12, Python 3.13. They are all version of Python. For machine learning, we need a little bit older. Okay, so I choose this base version of Python and then I print my name. So print small bracket and name. If I run it, I should be able to see this output right there in place. Same thing, I can also test this whole code from here and I can paste in here and shift and enter, and this I can see the output. So this was the first session where you can write install Python, and then you can install the Visual Studio Code and you can write your first program. In the second video, we will see what are the data types and we will keep on doing in the next further videos. Thank you so much for joining. And if you would have any questions or something, you can share me anything in the comment section. Thank you so much.